So good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss about a problem which you can solve within the 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the problem in which a block has been attached by a string inside a liquid, and there is two kinds of liquid will be there. First one is oil, second one is called water. And this block, it has been attached by a string at the ground part, at this bottom part. This is the container in which liquid is there, and the block is attached by a string, and the string is hinged at this point number O. Okay, and the depth of the block which is inside this oil, this is 125 millimeter, and the depth of the block which inside this water, that is 100 millimeter. And the mass of the block is given you as this is 10 kg. Specific gravity of the oil is given 0.8. The specific gravity of the water is given you 1, and the cross-sectional area, if you see from the top view, the cross-sectional area of the block is given you as 0.1 meter square. It is asking to find out what is the tensor will be developed in this particular case, what is the tensor will be developed in this string. Second, it is asking what is the gauge pressure. Gauge pressure, what is the magnitude of the gauge pressure is developed at this bottom. At this bottom part, what is the gauge pressure will be developed. Let's proceed this problem. This is the free body diagram. If you draw the free body diagram, of the block, the weight of the block will be act in downward direction. This is the weight of the block. Okay. Second, the buoyancy force will be developed by the water onto the body. Based upon the Archimedes principle, the buoyancy force will be developed. This is the buoyancy force of the water. Second, similarly, there will be another buoyancy force will be created, that is due to the oil, the buoyancy force due to oil. And second, if you cut the string, there will be tensile force will be developed. Okay, now if you write down the equilibrium equation, let's suppose assume the body is now at equilibrium condition, and if you write down the equilibrium condition, net force in y direction will be equal to 0. So let's assume a reference axis. This is positive x and this is my positive y axis. So this buoyancy force are acting in positive y axis direction. So this is buoyancy force due to water plus that is buoyancy force due to oil. Okay, minus tensile force minus this weight of the body will be equal to 0. So we need to find out the tensile force. Okay, so tensile force will be equal to how much? This is buoyancy force due to the water plus the buoyancy force due to the oil minus this weight of the body. This is my equation 1. Weight of the body you can find out. Weight of the body will be equal to, this is mass of the body into g. So mass of the body is given how much? That's 10 kg into, let's suppose assume the g value here 10 meter per second square. I am assuming the g value to be this one. So this is 10. So this is 100 Newton. 100 Newton weight of the, we found out. Now we need to find out what is the buoyancy force due to the water. The buoyancy force due to the water will be the density of the water into how much volume of the block submerged inside the water. How much volume of the block submerged inside the water into g. So in this case, you see this is the part which has been submerged inside the water. What is this part? The part will be area of the cross section into this height, that is 100 millimeter. Similarly, if you want to find out what is the part of the block which submerged inside this oil, this is the part of the block which submerged inside the oil, means this is the volume of the block which has been submerged. Let's do this one. So now you have to find out the density of the water is, we know the density of the water is how much? This is 1000. Okay, and the volume of the block, this is cross sectional area into how much depth has been submerged inside this water into g. Okay, so this is 1000 into the cross sectional area is how much? That is 0.1, and that is 100 millimeter inside this water, that is 0.1 into this 10. Okay, so this is the buoyancy force due to the water. Similarly, if you find out the buoyancy force due to the oil, that is density of the oil into how much volume has been submerged the block, how much volume of the block has been submerged inside this oil into this G. So density of the oil, how much? This is specific gravity 0.8, so that is 800 kg per meter cube. Similarly, cross section area into depth of the block which inside this oil surface, so that is cross section area 0.1 into the depth of the block is how much? 125 millimeters, so this is 0.125 into this is 10. So this is the magnitude of the buoyancy force due to water, and this is that one. Let's substitute that one. So if you substitute, this is T plus W is how much? This is 10 into this 10. This is the weight of the block. This is the weight of the block. Will be equal to, that is 800 into this is 10 into this is 0.1 into 0.125. This is the buoyancy force of the oil, plus that is 1000 into this is how much? 10 into this is 0.1 into 0.1. This is buoyancy force due to the water. So now if you find out the tensile force from this equation, this is T plus 100 equal to this is 100 plus this is 100. So now if you find out the tensile force in the string, that is coming out to be 100 Newton. Okay, the tensile force will be 100 Newton. So now we need to find out what is the pressure created at this bottom. What is the pressure created at this bottom? Okay, let I'm choosing this point as B. Okay, so you go to the previous picture. So we need to find out the pressure. Pressure is how much? We can find out the pressure at bottom will be equal to, that is density of the oil into G into this height of the oil plus density of the water into G into this height of the water. Similar case. So what is the density of the oil? Density is 800 into this is 10. What is the height of the oil surface? That is 0.125 plus this is density of the water is 1000 into this is 10 into height of the water is how much? This is 100, 0.1. So you find out this pressure at this bottom, that is coming out to be that is coming out to be 2000 Pascal. That is 2000 Pascal. Okay, that is the correct answer. So we already found out the thing, the tension will be how much? The tension will be 100 Newton, and the pressure at this bottom, that is coming out to be 2000 Newton per meter square. So this is our correct answer. So thank you friend for this, and next time I will come with some other problem. I think hope you enjoy this one. Good day. Thank you.